it is. Best view possible. Holy moly. Hopefully these cameras are capturing a bunch of it too. I don't know if it's going to be short form, long form. I don't know how much of this is going to be copyrighted. But we are trying our best to put it together. Roadster Shop, obviously a super popular booth. Pass by Ken Digot's spot outside. We haven't even seen a portion of what we're trying to get to. There's a bird's eye view of what it looks like. Incredible.
Yeah, I did pick up where. Yeah.